Check 1 2. What is up, guys? John Killingsworth here, and I want to thank you guys for 5,000 subscribers, really, because I never thought I would reach that point. 5,000 subs, that's pretty cool. You know, if you put 5,000 people in a room, in an auditorium, that's a shitload of people. And you know, some people will not realize it, especially if you've been on YouTube for a while and you look at all those subscribers, all those creators with millions of subscribers and thousands of hundreds of millions of whatever shit, and you see my channel that's just 5,000, and you think, oh well, he should have more subs. Don't worry, it's coming. But the thing is that why I'm not at 1 million yet is because 99% of people on YouTube actually probably have under 100 subscribers. And the reason you don't see those channels is because all the top channels are pushing the other channels down, right? So you only see the top 1% of channels, which is why that's how it is. And that's why I'm really grateful for any type of success that I have, no matter how big or small. And I think you should be too. Whatever success you have in your life, relish on the, you know, you have to embrace it. You have to be happy with it. Be grateful about it. And that's what I'm trying to do. So, the direction for this channel is that I want this channel to be about growing yourself. I want to inspire you guys through art. I have a new series coming up that's going to be about more like short films, probably not all pickup, but like a lot to do with, I want to mix personal development with sort of like the POV video aspect, you know. And I want to make something really nice, something really inspiring that I'll be able to do on a weekly basis. And sort of, you know, sort of like, imagine my short POV documentary films that, you know, maybe you saw on my channel. Imagine that, but in very short segments. So every week I would do like episode 1, episode 2, something like that. And it would be really short segments of like a few minutes. Just me sort of reflecting about life, sort of very introspective type of filmmaking. Nothing really grandiose here, but I just want to experiment right now because you know the festival videos are nice and stuff, but I'm kind of running out of creative ideas, and I need to think creatively beyond just making festival videos. I love making festival videos, but at a certain point I'm kind of running out. And you know, the videos that are getting me the most views right now are these sneaking in videos and stuff like that. But to be honest, I don't want to be this brand that's associated with teenagers doing whatever random illegal shit. This is not what I want my brand to be about. I don't want you guys to just see my stuff and be like, oh, the guy that sneaks in festivals. Because that's kind of it's pretty fun, okay, but it's kind of a shallow pursuit. If you only subscribe to my channel to do illegal shit, then you shouldn't subscribe to my channel. I think you should unsubscribe, because this channel is not about just doing this stupid illegal shit. I did it at the time because I knew it would give me more views and more subscribers, but I want to move beyond that. The goal of this channel is to inspire you guys to live life to the fullest, to really self-actualize, to become stronger versions of yourself. That's why my focus is on personal development. You know, I have 100 plus videos, and 80 to 90% of those videos are about personal development for a reason. Because all those whatever fun artsy videos, they're nice, but the point of those videos is to inspire you. So I gotta find a way to just make this channel even more amazing than it is right now. It's got some good stuff right now, but I want to even make it better, you know. So when I reach 50,000 subscribers, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, then I have something to offer to the world that will be unique, that nobody else, no other YouTuber on this platform could ever offer. Whatever suggestions you have to make this channel great again, make America great again. Oh, no, just kidding. To make this channel great again, leave it in the comments below, because I'm gonna read every single one of those comments and reply to every single one of those comments, because I know that you guys that are watching this video right now are probably my real fans. Probably my real fans. Because I'm not gonna try to pump those analytics with this video. I'm not gonna try to reach 1 million people with this video. It's really for you guys, the subscribers right now. What do you want to see? Tell me honestly, what do you like the most about this channel? How could I improve this channel? And what would you like to see more of? That's really it. And I'm gonna think in depth about how I can improve this channel. I'll keep you updated about the POV series that's coming up soon. And don't forget to check out my Patreon page, where you can see sneak peeks of my montages weeks in advance. And you can also get calls with me, whether it's coaching that you need, or you just want to talk to me, just talk about life, talk about whatever you want. You can follow me on Patreon, and we can do that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Peace.